5 most common early signs of pregnancy. For couples anxious to have babies, waiting to confirm that you are pregnant is often one of the most trying times couples go through. In this video, I will share with you 5 unmistakable early signs that you could be pregnant. According to the American Pregnancy Association, it is best for you to wait for a missed period before you take a pregnancy test, or else you might get false negative results. But while missing your menses is a good sign of pregnancy, it takes place at least 2 weeks after you have already conceived. If you are looking for signs that you might be pregnant even before you are ready to take a test, observe your body for these 5 of the most common early signs of pregnancy. 1. Unexplainable fatigue. As soon as you conceive, your body will go through drastic hormonal changes that will affect the way you feel in many ways, including feeling exhausted. Even if you haven't done much physical activity, you might experience an overwhelming need to nap in the middle of the day, even if you don't usually do so. Some women also feel tired as soon as they wake up from a long and good night's sleep. 2. Nausea, dizziness, and vomiting. You're not likely to experience full-blown morning sickness until you're about halfway through your first trimester, or by the time you're already around 6 weeks pregnant. But it is common for women to experience bouts of nausea early on, almost as soon as they've conceived. You could become dizzy for reasons you cannot trace, or even so queasy in your stomach that you find it challenging to eat fatty and heavy meals. If you are more sensitive, you could also start throwing up. 3. Changing attitudes towards food. Hormonal changes brought about by conception also lead to changes in your attitude towards food. Some women start having random cravings for foods they do not typically consume or care to eat before. On the other hand, some women will experience extreme aversion towards certain foods, even those that they usually have. Often, food aversions during pregnancy are also what triggers nausea and vomiting. You may also experience an increase in your appetite. 4. Frequent or increased urination. During pregnancy, the fetus growing in the womb can press on the bladder, making you feel like you need to urinate very often. But even as soon as you conceive, you can experience changes in your urinating habits. You might feel the need to relieve yourself more frequently, or you find that the volume of your output is more significant than usual. Either way, these changes are brought about by normal hormonal changes early on in your pregnancy. 5. Full or tender breasts. Changes in how your breasts feel can occur immediately after conception. They can feel full, heavy, or even tender. For some people, it might also be painful or so sensitive that even the slightest touch could cause them to wince. Although breast tenderness happens early in the pregnancy, it could last for months. For some, breast sensitivity could occur throughout the entire pregnancy. If you made love within the last 3 weeks and you are experiencing most of these signs, the chances are that you are pregnant. However, it's still a good idea to wait until you're sure you've missed your monthly period before you take a test or see a doctor, just to make sure you get the most accurate results. Following are references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.